Check out this awesome new color for 2017. Hard Candy Custom Hot Rod Red Flake. I'm Isla, and this is the 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 883. This 883 features an air-cooled Evolution engine. This bike also features a blacked-out rear fender, shocks, and lights. So come down to Harley Davidson of Newport Richey and check it out for yourself. And to put the final touch on this bike, you can come and get this hard candy red helmet as well. Also, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up with all of our exciting events.